Hey everyone, good afternoon / good morning. So I am right. This is day 4 of Vlogtrip, which is the 12 series I'm doing, which is called 12 Days Preparing for a Trip. So I'm going to get started and going for the rest of this day. That got to take a shower. After I do that, I'm going to fix something to eat. And I've been productive. I already did the laundry already, so that's getting done right now. So after I get done taking a shower and eating, the laundry will be done. And then I also got to put up laundry, just of these clothes that I already had done a day ago. So that laundry needs to be that laundry of clothes needs to be put up. And I gotta clean some more. Everything else around the house needs to be cleaned up and wiped down. So that's basically about it for right now. And then later on, I'm gonna be talking more about what I'm going to be doing to getting prepared and ready, packed mentally, and how I'm trying to be how I'm starting to be more stress-free, mental status, like thought basically about the trip and packing and all that, kind of how stressful that can be. So I'm going ahead and get that started, the rest of my day started, and everything else. So I'm gonna catch y'all guys later. Love you, and I'll be back. I'm back from all that. As you already seen, I was doing a lot. I did laundry. Laundry will be done in a little bit, and also I got to put the rest of this clothes up from previous. Like I said, laundry needs to be done. So I got these clothes to put up, and then I also have other stuff that needs to be put up, and that's really about it. But also right now I'm cooking dinner. Just boiled some chicken right now, so that took a while for that to be done. So by the time I get done talking to you guys, that food will be done, and I'm gonna go ahead and have dinner ready. But I'm go ahead and get started talking about detail what I was talking about on my Instagram. So if you're not on my Instagram page, all my social media pages and website, all that is linked down below in the description bar. It's always there, so just go down to the description bar down below and follow and subscribe and like and all that type of stuff for those social medias, because you will not be disappointed of what I have to offer and what I talk about and what advice and everything I put out there for y'all to look at and see. But let's get started. Of me talking about the main thing that's really been helping me out of me preparing for the trip is actually doing the inventory like everybody do, but I did it for this trip especially because I didn't want to come back home with old food in my refrigerator. So I've been cleaning out every single thing that I think is old or it is old. I've been going through every single thing, like pantry, freezer, refrigerator, cabinets, everything is old. It's been thrown away, or I've been using it and I've been cooking it. So it's really a big thing that's really been helping me out, because I want to come back home to a fresh start, and then also have a fresh start for January. Like when I come home, it's gonna be time for January to be here. So it's really been helping me, and then I've been doing tips and tricks that I've been doing myself. That's actually been helping out of what I'm packing for this trip and getting ready for it as well. So if you want to do a small video about that, then just let me know in the description bar down below or on my social medias. like Instagram. I mostly do be on Instagram a lot. So if you wanna let me know about that, then just let me know and I will do that. So yeah, that is really about I have to talk to, say right now about. And I heard we're doing some more getting ready and thoughts, and basically another way of me preparing and getting ready for this trip. So yeah, and also I got better technical equipment for me to make better, more quality videos for you guys. As you saw with the mic right here, I've been testing it out, so that's what I'm doing now. And let me know how it is, if I should keep using it or if I shouldn't. Just let me know. But I'm gonna go finish cooking and finishing this laundry and putting it up. So I love you guys. Have a good day, and please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Before I say thanks for watching, I want y'all to get a motivation, because I know a lot's been going on with everybody for this week and these couple of weeks has actually been going on. So I'm gonna say, always stay blessed and humble. Always stay positive. Always have a good, peaceful thought in mind. You got this no matter what. You're gonna have a good holiday and a good month and good year. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. I always say deuces.